Hi friend, today I've showed you the one is the special tool just like a J folding adjustable ring and how to use this is the as a ratchet system. Then you can first you put the handle small or long, both are available on this tool, and then you can use like this one. And if you want to fold it left or right, then we have also use this press button to move the handle left or right as per the use. This is the very useful adjustable range for any side or any places. Then you can use this tool like this one. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, colleagues and technicians for taking the knowledge of the same how to use the tool.